Insulin resistance is a common health condition that often goes unnoticed. Many people may have it without even realizing it. It affects how your body uses insulin, a crucial hormone produced by the pancreas. Insulin plays a vital role in regulating your blood sugar levels. It helps your body use glucose for energy, which is essential for your muscles and organs to function properly. Without insulin, your body wouldn't be able to utilize glucose effectively. Glucose is a type of sugar that serves as a primary energy source. When you eat, your body breaks down carbohydrates into glucose, which then enters your bloodstream. This glucose enters your bloodstream, and insulin helps your cells absorb this glucose, providing them with the energy they need to perform their functions. This process keeps your blood sugar levels stable, preventing them from getting too high or too low. However, in insulin resistance, your cells don't respond well to insulin. This means glucose can't enter your cells easily, leading to higher levels of glucose in your blood. To compensate, your pancreas has to produce more insulin. Over time, this can lead to consistently high blood sugar levels, which can cause a range of serious health problems. The constant strain on your pancreas can eventually lead to its dysfunction. These health problems include type 2 diabetes, which is a chronic condition that affects millions of people worldwide. Additionally, insulin resistance increases your risk of heart disease and stroke, which are leading causes of death globally. It's important to recognize the signs and take steps to manage insulin resistance to protect your long-term health. Insulin acts like a key, a crucial component in the intricate dance of our body's metabolism. It unlocks your cells to let glucose in, allowing them to absorb this vital source of energy. This glucose provides energy for your body, fueling everything from your daily activities to your most intense workouts. Think of your cells as houses and glucose as the electricity they need to function. Just as a house needs electricity to power its lights and appliances, your cells need glucose to perform their essential functions. When you eat, especially sugary or processed foods, your blood sugar rises. These foods cause a rapid spike in glucose levels, which can be challenging for your body to manage. Your pancreas releases insulin to bring it back down, working tirelessly to maintain balance. This organ plays a pivotal role in regulating your blood sugar levels. Insulin directs the glucose into your cells for energy or storage, ensuring that your body has a steady supply of fuel for both immediate and future needs. However, with insulin resistance, the cells become less responsive to insulin. This condition can develop over time due to factors like poor diet, lack of exercise, and genetic predisposition. It's like the locks on the houses are rusty, making it difficult for insulin to do its job. The key, or insulin, struggles to fit into the lock, or cell receptor. Insulin struggles to open them, and glucose builds up outside, leading to high blood sugar. This accumulation can cause a range of health issues, from fatigue and thirst to more severe complications like nerve damage and heart disease. Managing insulin resistance involves lifestyle changes, such as a balanced diet and regular exercise, which can help improve your cell sensitivity to insulin. Consulting with healthcare professionals can provide personalized strategies to keep your blood sugar levels in check. With the right approach, you can restore balance and ensure that your body's energy needs are met efficiently, paving the way for a healthier future. Persistently high blood sugar from insulin resistance is a serious problem. It damages blood vessels and nerves. This damage increases the risk of heart disease, stroke, vision problems, and kidney disease. Furthermore, insulin resistance is closely linked to weight gain, particularly around the abdomen. Excess fat, especially visceral fat around your organs, worsens insulin resistance, creating a vicious cycle. This cycle can also disrupt your cholesterol levels, increasing the bad cholesterol and decreasing the good cholesterol, further elevating your risk of cardiovascular problems. One of the most effective ways to reverse insulin resistance is through dietary changes. The biggest culprit? Excess sugar and refined carbohydrates. These foods cause rapid spikes in blood sugar, forcing your pancreas to overwork. This worsens insulin resistance over time. Focus on a diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods. Think vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, and healthy fats. The power of protein and fiber fueling your body for success. Protein and fiber are your allies in the fight against insulin resistance. Protein, found in lean meats, fish, beans, and lentils, has a minimal impact on blood sugar and helps you feel full. Fiber, abundant in vegetables, fruits, and whole grains, slows down digestion and prevents rapid spikes in blood sugar. Aim for at least 30 grams of fiber per day. These nutrients not only regulate blood sugar but also support a healthy gut microbiome, which plays a crucial role in metabolic health and insulin sensitivity. Healthy fats, your allies in the fight against insulin resistance. Contrary to popular belief, not all fats are bad. Healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, olive oil, nuts, and fatty fish, are essential for improving insulin sensitivity. These fats help slow down the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream, preventing those dreaded sugar spikes. They also help reduce inflammation, another factor contributing to insulin resistance. Incorporate healthy fats into your diet in moderation. Replace processed vegetable oils with olive oil, snack on a handful of nuts, or add avocado to your salads. Regular physical activity is crucial in reversing insulin resistance. Exercise helps your muscles use glucose for energy, directly lowering blood sugar levels. Engage in at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity exercise per week. This could be brisk walking, jogging, swimming, cycling, or strength training. Even short bursts of activity throughout the day can make a difference. Chronic stress and poor sleep can wreak havoc on your insulin sensitivity. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, a hormone that can increase blood sugar levels. Similarly, lack of sleep disrupts hormone balance, including insulin. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a relaxing bedtime routine, avoid caffeine and alcohol before bed, and create a conducive sleep environment. Manage stress through techniques like meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises, or spending time in nature. Beyond diet and exercise, several lifestyle modifications can significantly impact your insulin sensitivity. Quitting smoking is paramount, as smoking worsens insulin resistance. Limit alcohol intake, as excessive alcohol consumption can interfere with insulin's action. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day, as dehydration can worsen insulin resistance. Finally, prioritize regular meals and snacks to avoid prolonged periods of fasting, which can disrupt your metabolism and insulin sensitivity. Tracking your way to victory. Tracking your progress is essential to stay motivated and make necessary adjustments. Regularly monitor your blood sugar levels, especially if you're prediabetic or diabetic. Keep a food journal to identify potential dietary triggers and ensure you're consuming a balanced diet rich in whole foods, protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Track your weight and waist circumference. Losing even a small amount of weight, especially belly fat, can significantly improve insulin sensitivity. The benefits of reversing insulin resistance: a healthier you. Reversing insulin resistance offers a multitude of health benefits. It significantly reduces your risk of developing type 2 diabetes, heart disease, stroke, and other chronic conditions. You'll experience increased energy levels, improved mood, better sleep, and enhanced cognitive function. Losing weight will become easier, and you'll reduce your risk of obesity-related health problems. By taking control of your insulin sensitivity, you're investing in a healthier, happier, and more vibrant future.